Is the don't allow others to mention you setting not working on the LinkedIn app? If people can still mention you, the privacy setting isn't being saved or you can't disable mentions. In this video, I will show you how to fix don't allow others to mention you on LinkedIn app. The first thing you have to do is to go to LinkedIn. In this page, you will go to above to this sign of profile. Here in this list, we click on settings. After that, you will go to this page and you will enter to visibility. Here in this page, you are scrolling down until you find mentions, tags, and collaborations. And here you will find the sign. You will tap here to disable allow mentions tags on the application of LinkedIn. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget